Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT P50, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open the settings application, and then we should tap to the sound section. After that, we can see here the ring and notification volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone, you should hold and swipe to the right side this blue dot, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should press up or down the volume button on the right side of our phone, and then we should tap here to the settings icon. Just to unmute your device ringtone, you should hold and swipe to the right side this blue dot by the same way, and then just tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.